Hello, hello. Welcome to episode 2 of Veganuary, where I introduce you to dishes that are naturally vegan in my culture. And today, it's time for Baghaar Baingan. It's an eggplant dish which has its roots in the kitchens of the Nizam of Hyderabad. The three main ingredients that make up the sauce are peanuts, coconut, and sesame seeds. Tamarind also gives an amazing touch of sourness to the dish. I love how creamy and yummy the gravy is. Remember to soak the eggplants in salt water after it's cut to draw out the bitterness. And always wipe the water off the eggplant before putting it in the oil, which I obviously forgot to do, and the oil spluttered everywhere. I used to hate eggplant as a kid, but this was one way I'd always eat it. I hope you'll enjoy watching this, and I'd urge you to try making this. I'm sure you'll love it. I will link the recipe I was inspired by in the bio. Bye bye for now.